so we in a dealership right now, y'all. So for those that don't know, my car is a lease. So for all things that go wrong with the car within the first 3 years, it's all covered under your warranty for your 3 years, or it's like 36,000 miles. So obviously I haven't had a car for more than a year yet, and I'm not at 36,000, so everything is still covered under my warranty. So today I'm here for the steering wheel because my steering wheel is pilling. Every time I use the heated steering wheel, my steering wheel starts to pill for some weird reason. So big shout out to Doan Dodge out in Greece, man, because they ordered my steering wheel and it came in like 2 days. So that was great. I've never had a part come in that fast. It is just a steering wheel, but still, I've never had any part for anything come in that fast, no matter how small or how big it is, right? So they're switching out my steering wheel today. So this is my first warranty claim, man. I didn't even think I would need it anytime soon, but that steering wheel was getting kind of annoying because every time you rub your hands over it, it kind of just, it has a weird texture when it starts to peel. Oh, look at this. This is nice. I like these new Gladiators, man. New Gladiators are nice, bro. I really like these. These are super nice. I wouldn't mind driving one of these in the winter at all. Got some pretty nice little fat tires on it. The blue, I'm feeling the blue though. These open? Oh no, they're not open, but they look really nice, man. I need the leather probably though. I'm cool on the cloth. So y'all remember, if y'all watched that last video, I just got my tires put on, my winter tires. So all my tire sensors were working until like this morning. The front passenger one isn't working anymore for some weird reason. So I don't know what's going on with that, so I'm gonna have them check that too. I don't know if it's just too much air in there or something. No, they didn't do that, bruh. Yo, check this out. They put the Type R on the Accord though. Yo, that's funny as hell. Hey, listen, until you can get your Type R, you better drive that motherfucker like it's a Type R. That's how I did my 200. I drove my 200 like it was a Hellcat until I got one. So I'm gonna go back in here and wait for my car. So I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds, y'all. Peace. All right, so we got the car back, man. Good and bad news. So first off, we got the steering wheel replaced. It feels nice, a whole brand new steering wheel. But remember, I showed y'all that my tire pressure sensor was flashing, and for some reason that front passenger side was not working. So I'm gonna show y'all. Something. So here's the tire pressure sensor, right? Y'all can see that? It's cracked right down the middle right there. So that's why it wasn't working. So now that cost me $197 to get that tire pressure sensor replaced. They did have it on hand, so everything's good now. But now I gotta go back to the shop where I went to get my tires put on yesterday. And now I have to go get reimbursement because of that. So what they're telling me at the dealership was that when he goes to like pop the tire off of whatever machine that they use, it pretty much cracked that TPM, that sensor. And this is the problem. I should have came to the dealership in the first place anyway, but you know, shit, I'm not too mad about it. Things happen. I just hate the fact that now I gotta go waste time, go back, deal with the back and forth conversation about who did it, who didn't do it. Like, bro, my car was brand new, so the car is brand new. I had never got my tires changed before yesterday. So I just don't, you know, my thing is I just hate doing the back and forth thing, and I just don't got time to go back and forth. Also, they scraped up 2 of the rims. So, but again, things happen. I'm not bashing them. It's a mistake. He already told me that he was gonna cover it for the damages. I just gotta go to the shop that repaints them and sands them down, yada yada, right? I'm gonna go there tomorrow. I'm gonna give him the paperwork for everything that I paid for it. Hopefully get reimbursed tomorrow, because like I said, now that's more time out of my day of stuff that I had to do. I was there for 3 hours at the dealership, which shouldn't have took 3 hours, you know. So not that because they were taking long, because it should have been only just for my steering wheel, but now that something else was broken, I had to be there longer. So, and you know, if you got stuff planned throughout the day, you kind of just want to get the things done you had planned for the day. So now the things that I had to do for the rest of the day, I just don't have time to do now. So just little things like that, man. that kind of mess up the day. And y'all already know most of my videos I'm always positive. That's why I'm not like, I ain't complaining or nothing about it. The car good, the car driving fine. It's just stuff happens in the car where, man, you gotta pay the money to get things fixed. Let me show y'all the quick damage and stuff on the wheels from me getting it replaced yesterday. So nothing crazy, don't worry about that. That's just the stuff that they put on it first to put the wheels back on. So it gets a little bit of, but that's one up. There it goes. That's one of the little scrapes. So it's not like scratch or curb rash. It's just peeled off a little bit of the paint, which is weird. This one here. So this little mark right here, that little one, and then there was another little mark right here. So nothing too crazy, but obviously I don't want no damage to my brand new car, man. So, or I mean, not brand new still, but it's only 4 months old. So just little things like that, man. So I gotta take a couple pictures of this really quick, send it to the powder coat guys real quick so they can give me an estimate on how much it'll be to fix it. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, man. Some days ain't the best, man. Some days it's just gonna be a lot of bullshit. Some days you gonna have great days. Today one of them days where it's just been just bullshit today. I wasn't really pissed about it, but when I found out about the sensor, it's just like, bro, I gotta pay extra $200 out of my money. Obviously, I'm gonna get reimbursed for it, but I just didn't want to do it. I don't like paying for stuff I don't need to pay for, especially like something like that where it shouldn't be breaking within 4 months. And knowing that it didn't break due to like the car, it broke because, you know, just because of an accident of some equipment or somebody using certain equipment. That's pretty much it, man. That's the car. It's looking good right now. Y'all, if y'all watched the last video, y'all already know we got the tires and stuff, everything on. So just stay positive, man. That's all I can tell you. That's what I'm trying to do. I ain't trying to be pissed or mad about it. I ain't trying to let it ruin my day. But just stay positive, man. Stay safe, stay motivated. I'm out. I'm gonna see you at the next video, man. Peace.